Okay, and one more tidbit for hooking up the ec65. Probably had to go around and tighten everything once the pump was running about 4 or 5 times each time around. I don't know if I didn't use the right lubricant. I usually put Vaseline, but I remember hearing, oh, you shouldn't do Vaseline. At any rate, next time I will do Vaseline to tighten it. You definitely need that on some of the O-rings. So it's leaking at a few different spots where the bolts weren't tightened totally, the outside bolts. So I've just been cranking them tighter and tighter and tighter. But it makes me appreciate the newer filters that just have a big spring clamp. So I'm going to have to work on that next. But I wanted to let everybody know that I do remember having it leak many times where you have to tighten the bolts down top and bottom a good bit, so don't be surprised. Another half hour, whatever, 15 minutes worth of tightening once the filter's running, and then again once you put in the DE again, because that increases the pressure to cause it to have to do more. The pictured connectors are ones that didn't fit for me on my backup filter, so they're going back. Alrighty, take care.